everyone. Now we will discuss about fees management and accounting reports. Firstly, we need to set up bank account details in which the cash inflow and outflow has to be done. In bank report, accounts can be created using three ways, that is bank, wallet, and online payment gateway. Fill all the details like bank name, account number, IFSC code, etc. and click on submit. Now we will view fees module. In set fee structure, fees can be set by clicking on add fee type month-wise. Due fees can also be added. The date can be selected as the due date. Fees received after that will have some amount which needs to be paid as penalty. After setting the type of fees, the amount can be set on the basis of categories. Now we will view manage activities. In activities, all the fees of different activities like sports, cultural activities, etc. can be set in the same way as the normal fees is set. The fee type and fee amount can be set. Activities can be allocated to the whole class or section or individual student. Now we will be viewing vehicle management. In vehicle management, vehicle can be assigned to the students who use school transport. Now we will be viewing hostel management. In hostel management, in hostel allocation, you can click on add allocation and allocate the room to any student who wants to live in the hostel. In fees module, discount management can be used to add discount. The discount can be given to all the students in all fees type or any particular fee type. The discount can be given to an individual student or to any class. The month in which the discount needs to be given has to be selected. In due fees, fees which needs to be paid by a particular student or any particular class can be viewed in a particular month or total fees. By selecting the student, SMS can be sent of due fees payment reminder. All these data can be exported or printed as well on the basis of class or a particular student. All these data can be exported or printed as well class-wise or of a particular student. In student fees, Payment of the fees can be done by selecting the month for which it needs to be paid along with the mode of payment. The paid fees record can also be viewed and printed along with the month for which the fees is paid. In fees paid summary, transaction wise fees payment report can be viewed and the print of the same can be taken. In paid fees report, class wise fees paid by the student can be viewed along with all the details. It can also be printed and exported of a particular student or the whole class. Now we will be viewing accounting management module. In accounting management module, the effect of payment done of the student can be viewed. In account master, different types of payment can be viewed of a particular student. The payment can be viewed date-wise. The pending fees, total collection, discount if any, can be also viewed. And all the data can also be exported in Excel. In transaction report, all the transactions can be viewed on the basis of date, mode of payment, and type of fees. All its details can be exported in Excel. In total transport collection, the fees collected for transport can be viewed of a particular student. In total hostel collection, the fees collected for hostel can be viewed of a particular student. In managed ledger, different types of ledger and its sub-ledger can be set like sales, purchase, general, etc. In managed tax, different types of taxes like direct tax, indirect tax can be added. In expense report, all the student school related expenses can be added. In payment statement and settlement report, the report of all the payment methods can be viewed. The opening balance, amount credited, amount debited, and its balance can be viewed. In scholarship report, those students who has received any scholarship can be viewed. In donation report, those student who has received any donation can be viewed or added. In school master report, total investment, total credit amount, total debit amount, total discount, and its balance can be viewed. Thank you so much for watching.